Hey y'all, for this episode of the Sunday Swirl, I'm attempting a mantra swirl. I'm using Sakura pink mica, activated charcoal because I'm out of black, and titanium dioxide. And I've already mixed my oils as well as my lye solution. And I'm using the same fragrance oil that I've used for all of the other videos in this series, which is Clean Type Fragrance Oil from Nature's Garden. Just as I did in the last episode, I'll be using this mold with dividers that I got from Amazon, and I need like a little chopstick. So I'm using this glass stirrer. Of course, I'll have the recipe down in the description. Everything is prepped and ready to go, and my soap and lye solution are at room temperature, so let's get to making. I'm gonna mix this just until emulsion, and then I'm gonna separate the batter into the 3 containers. So into the white container, I need 2/3 of the batter, and then I want to split the other third between the pink and the black. So basically 1/6 of the recipe is going into the pink and 1/6 is going into the black, and everything else goes into the white. This time I'll be using a scale because I need it precise because it's going into 3 different spaces. If you want to learn more about colorants for cold processed soap, different types like natural colorants, micas, oxides, pigments, so on and so forth, on June 1st, I am dropping my How to Color Cold Processed Soap Guide on Batch and Build. You can get that from either the Maker tier or from the Founder tier, and I'll link that in the description. I'm gonna hand mix these for the most part because I want a light trace when I'm pouring this because it's gonna be a lot of back and forth with the pink and the black. For this one, I ended up using the stick blender because that white would just not mix by hand. Now it's time to pour, and I need to hold down this mold because this girl shifts around. There's too much space, but it's what I got, so it's what I'm using. For the middle part, I'm just going back and forth with the pink and the black, and for the outside spaces, I'm using the white. Although I hate that the white really got thick like that. It really was kind of like applesauce, which was weird. Maybe it was a titanium dioxide situation. But I'm glad that the black and the pink stayed fluid because, boy. Now I'm going to carefully remove the dividers. Because there are some thick parts, I need to even this out a little bit, so I'm just going to bang it against the table. And y'all, I'm not going to lie, I was a little like, dang. I wanted this whole thing to be like, you know, fluid so that when I do this chopstick situation, it would have a nice design on the top. But you know, it is what it is. So now I'm just gonna go in like a figure 8 or like an infinity sign situation across it. And I'm trusting the process. Now I'm just gonna spray it with a little 91% isopropyl alcohol and let this sit for 48 hours. All right, y'all, here she is. She's a little bit of a butterface, but it's what's on the inside that counts. And I like the back. It's giving like a spine. I really like that. For this one, instead of using the loaf cutter that I used in the last video, I'm just gonna use the single bar slicer. This is what it looks like on the inside, but that's not the final thing, as you would have seen from the thumbnail. I'm just making these the regular size of my soap, and then I'm gonna cut each in half. Once again, we're trusting the process. Ooh, yes. Okay. Okay. We're good. I really like this. And I like the black, white, and light pink scheme. I'm also cutting off a little sliver from the top. So where it was kind of rough and uneven, cutting that off so that we can have a nice soap all the way through. And don't worry, I'm not wasting pieces of the soap. I'm going to be doing a whole video after the series is over using the scraps from this series. All right, y'all, thank you so much for tuning in today. And if you want more of Charmise and more recipes and more building a business, check out my new membership community, Batch and Build. I'll have the link in the description. All right, y'all. Bye.